Well, Dimitri's with us now.
Hello, I'm Dimitri.
This is Dimitri. And we are setting rock.
We are the rock setters.
So we're doing another Pondless Waterfall. We're doing like 3 back-to-back-to-back on top of our display fountain. So it's like a fun little water feature sesh. You know what I'm saying? 15 by 20 and a 12 by 15.
Alright, I wonder if I had flip-flopped them maybe.
So it's 12 by 15 in the basin, or?
You want to start putting aqua blocks together?
Yeah. Aerosol. This is our basin. That's our dirt. We're gonna do a pondless waterfall with a ponding area in the basin. So we're kind of just building a pond, but we're not building a pond. But anyway, pooling area with a 10 to 13 foot stream with a couple waterfalls for about 8-10 inches of elevation is what we're gonna bang out here. Gonna have it done in 2 days, of course. You know how we like to meet our timelines. So without further ado, I'm gonna get cracking so we can meet that timeline.
Hi Brookside, Dimitri here with Nate. And what are we
Howdy. We are setting rocks finally and shaping up some outcropping rocks up there. And we've got our pipe in the ground here. And yeah, so we're setting rocks finally. All right, well, we are wrapped up here, day 1 of this build. Sort of some fun things that happened. We made this basin, so that gravel there is probably 4 inches on top of our basin, maybe 6. We wanted to expand this upper pooling area here, so we kind of just cut that out. Put a maple tree in. We're gonna put that Buddha face in somewhere. I don't know where exactly yet. And then, yeah, day 2, finish it somehow. Day 2. And I just got a phone call from Adam. We're gonna blow it up. We're gonna blow it up. Just kidding. We're not gonna blow it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the shelf down like 6 inches here, and kind of give it more of a whoosh effect instead of just a whoosh effect. So it's gonna be super cool. right, well, you can hear the sound of water running. I'll give you a very brief. Woo! There it is. We're kind of down to the finishing touches here, so we're gonna get some regrading done, some cleanup done. We'll get the barking done tomorrow, and then you'll get to see it. Okay. All right. The project's really cool. This basin turned out awesome, and I don't know, it's only 4,000 gallons an hour, and you can hear it coming around the side of the house. Anyway, now it's done.
Hey, what's up everybody? Adam with Brookside Landscape and Design, and that is a wrap on another Pondless Water feature. We finished this one last week. It was a fun build. A little challenging getting material back here, but hey, we make it work. So anyways, if you want to see more of these Pondless Waterfalls, check out our page, subscribe, hit like, and don't forget to message us and tell us when you're ready to live that aquascape lifestyle. Have a great day.